All right, why quitting is not an option for your YouTube journey. All right, so, if you are like me, you're a small YouTube channel, and you're trying to grow, this is important because there's many times in this journey where I felt like quitting. Many times. It's very discouraging when you're posting a video and nobody watches. Maybe you feel like that also, like me. And I just felt like, you know what, this YouTube thing, it's not worth it. I want to quit. It's too much time putting together all these videos and getting 20 views. But I was thinking about it differently, right? Maybe you should as well. And this is why we can't quit. We all got a message to share. But it's not even about our message. It's about finding others like you who care about our message. It doesn't matter about our thumbnails, our titles, our descriptions, our SEO. All that doesn't mean crap. What matters is building a community like you of like-minded people that feel the same way. I'm a small YouTube channel. I want to grow this channel. How am I going to grow this channel? I'm going to find people like me, people that are interested in what I have to say, who feel the same way, so I can also go support them. And this is why quitting is not an option. It's not an option because I don't know about you, but I enjoy talking to you. I love it. It gets me jacked up when I can flip up this camera and just start shooting the bull crapping with my friends. Because I look at you, you're watching this, I don't know you, but I look at you as my friend because you're obviously like-minded, right? So quitting is not an option in this journey because there's people who need to hear us. They need us, right? They need a community of like-minded individuals just like we do. So if you're thinking about quitting, and again, I know, many times I would tell my buddy, man, I hate doing YouTube. I hate this damn thing. 10 views? Oh, I was looking at it the wrong way. You are looking at it the wrong way. That's 10 people. That's awesome. 10 people who care, right? People who we can uplift. There's people right now that are depressed. I hate to say it, but even thinking about suicide, right? They're going through a bad time and they feel all alone. And maybe watching your video can uplift them to where they feel like, you know what, I want to keep going. I got a message one time from a guy when I wrote my book. I know it's not about YouTube, but I wrote my book. Somebody messaged me and said that my book kept them, they were on the verge, he told me, they were going to commit suicide. And because of my book, it changed their mind. Now you might be thinking, what? Yeah, I wrote a book. Or I wrote a book about trading the stock market for a living. But the first couple chapters were all about motivation, encouragement. And he said that kept him from killing himself. The feeling was just like, oh my God. Like I saved somebody's life. Like I didn't even know that person. I didn't even know that. So quitting is not an option for a YouTube journey because something you say might just keep, I'm not going to say we're going to go to the extreme, but it might. Maybe that depression is setting in, and because of something that you say, keeps them from doing the unthinkable. The unthinkable. YouTube is for us to spread the message of whatever we want to talk about and find and build a community of people who will support each other in this journey. That's why we can't quit, and you cannot quit, because you have a message to share.